I'm Dr. Ashoojit Kaur Anand. I'm a palliative care specialist and I run this program called Aveksha, which is a home-based primary care. And my clinical-based practice is at PCMH Restore Health at Sheshadipuram. I'm passionate about improving quality of life of people who are suffering because of an illness. It could be a short-time illness, it could be a long-term illness too. I do understand when somebody has a long-term illness like a kidney failure or a heart failure or a cancer. It is not just the person who goes through the pain, and again, pain is not just the physical pain, that means pain in the back or pain in the leg or pain in the stomach, but there is something called the emotional pain or the psychological pain, and there is pain because of financial problems. Somebody who is going through a long-term illness and has exhausted all their money in getting treatment could be having pain which gets aggravated because there is constraints, financial constraints at home. So it's not just the person who's going through this pain, but entire family which gets affected. There are people who are taking care of this patient who need to be there all the time because a person is on the bed all the time. So there has to be somebody taking care 24/7, right? So it's the caregiver who needs support. It's the entire family, because there could be a breadwinner who is working all the time to make up for the money which is required for the treatment. He needs a kind of support. He might not need a physical support, but he does need an emotional support, a psychological support. And all this support can be offered by a palliative care specialist because they are trained to offer this kind of a support, or doctor can offer this kind of a support, but when you go to a physician who's a specialist, might not have so much of energy to do it or the time to do it. So palliative care specialist has a team. They work as a team where we have a clinical pharmacist, a nurse, a psychologist, a counsellor, and everybody works together to look after all these aspects and provide support.